Need it more.
I mean, just look around like you're driving.
Yeah, I just want to get it centered.
Yeah. That should work.
That good there?
That's no. That's as far back as it goes.
Yeah, that's all you get.
Yeah, I am 6'2", so.
I'm like 6'4", I think.
Oh dang.
But yeah, that's not too bad. You just recline the seat back and should be good to go.
All right.
All right. Let me know if I need to look any specific direction.
So I feel very high up, but I'm not.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
you're pretty close to the ground.
I'm high up in the car, but I'm basically just sliding around on my ass on the ground.
Yeah.
So they don't give you a tack, but they do give you a little shift point. So
Yeah. So first gear right there, it's about red line in first.
Well, how short is first?
Oh, it's so short. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's like 5,000 already.
Yeah. It's like right off the bat.
Yeah.
But second is pretty long.
Yeah. Oh yeah, indicators are on different sides.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's messed me up is I'll go to turn my turn signal and I'll do that.
Turn on your wiper.
Yeah, and it's so funny.
Yeah.
What kind of music do you listen to?
All sorts of stuff.
Really? Like alt 90s stuff?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Grunge rock, Smashing Pumpkins?
On occasion, yeah.
Yeah.
My parents listen to that more 90s.
Yeah.
Oh God, you gotta shift.
So yeah, what I'll usually do is I'll just put it in second at a dead stop, and then I'll go.
How hard is it to launch in second?
Not hard at all. It's almost like it's its first gear. It would almost be nicer if I just did that every time.
I would, do you want to try and angle the camera down a little bit?
Yeah, for sure.
Because it's mostly just getting the sun visor.
Yeah. Is that better?
Yeah, that looks better.
Sweet. I'll do a U-turn here and then.
All right.
Actually, I can take it on the.
Yeah, sure. Gonna open it up. How much? It's got like 50 horsepower.
I think about that. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not the turbo.
No. All right, here we go. That is floored. So
it sounds good though.
Yeah, exactly. It's not bad at all.
No, it's all you need.
Yeah, honestly. I mean, you're ringing it out everywhere. Like merging on the highway, you are floored. Like there's no doubt. But yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
And it handles pretty well too for how tall it is.
It's even like as far as K cars go, there's taller ones.
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Like the Move. And
the Honda Life.
The Life
is a big one.
No,
yeah.
The Step Wagon's a big one. The Step Van is.
Maybe angle it down at all, or is it?
No, it looks great.
Sweet, beautiful.
It's just because you're tall. So
yeah, exactly. It's like I feel like tapping the ceiling occasionally.
I have a little bit of room in that, honestly.
Yeah, the amount of headroom in this car is actually surprising.
That's very
I've got an Integra and a Miata, and both of those, I have way less headroom than I do in this.
Well, because these are just packaged so well.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, they're so small, but everything's, like, the doors are so thin.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
It's kind of like, these are like what the Mini Cooper was when it came out.
Right.
Like, as much room on the inside as possible.
Yeah.
I'm amazed it has AC.
Yeah, dude, it works so well. I turn it on. Dude, but when you turn it on, you can feel it, like, slow the car down.
Yeah, I was going to say.
It's hilarious. It is actually so hilarious. But yeah, it blows ice cold. Super, super nice.
All right.
Might take a sec, but yeah. It's fantastic.
You've got the flare for emergencies down there.
Yeah.
Flare.
Yeah. And then these two open up. You can crack those open. That one opens and the bottom one opens. It's super neat.
Oh, it's like this is a little tray, but that one's like the.
Yeah.
Flip around here.
Yeah.
All right. You probably can, honestly.
Yeah. Oh, there's a car right there. Dang. That would have been perfect. I think it probably could have.
Yeah.
Because the turning radius on this thing is adorable.
Bonkers. Yeah. For some reason, it's 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. It's the season trim. So there's only a few. Oh, we got that. You can even do some off-roading for you. Look at that.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Oh, like it's nothing.
Yeah.
I'll put that all-wheel drive to work.
Is it full time or?
No. So it's only when the rear loses traction.
Oh.
So yeah, that was starting in second there. And then that's pretty nice. Damn, it's bright as shit. I gotta.
Yeah. Of course, you got the ashtray.
Yeah. Yeah. You can open that. There's a cool lighter in there. It's got like a Honda.
Oh dang.
I think it's but yeah, super cool.
JTCC 94 Zippo.
It's got the EG coupe on there with the Zippo livery, the BP.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, very, very awesome. That's like one of my favorite pieces.
That's sweet.
I got a bunch of little like JDM stuff in my collection. Yeah, it just should fit right in.
This is not quite doing it.
No, you're good. You're good.
Hold on.
Oh, we get to hit a puddle.
Whoa.
Sweet.
Dude, you can't see anything in the recording.
There we go.
Here,
That better?
the visor was yeah, it's better. The visor was covering up everything. Yeah, that's not.
Here, let me see. Oh, that's it. Something's blocking it.
It's like a specific touch to
Yeah.
fit in.
Used to.
I'll just put it up here.
Word. Oh, it's so bright. But yeah, it cruises really nicely.
It actually does. I'm gonna be for such a small
Yeah, and we're in fourth. We're not even in fifth yet.
Yeah.
It's super, super nice.
It's nice that the engine's quiet.
Yeah, yeah. It, like even on the highway, it doesn't like sound like it's screaming for anything.
And that's, even on the highway, you're probably doing like 4,000.
Yeah, yeah, for real.
You should look into getting one of those little rev counters you like stick on it.
Yeah, yeah, that would be nice.
Is it good on gas, even though you can thrash it everywhere?
So good. It gets, I mean, it's only a 6-gallon tank, and so I've put a fair amount of miles on this, and still, it has not eaten that much gas at all.
That's crazy because my car, a horrible gas mileage. Even though it's a it's a 5-cylinder. That's probably why.
Yeah.
I average like 21 at best.
That's crazy. That is so crazy.
I mean, I do most, like, I'm in town most of the time.
Yeah.
But even still, and that's why it's funny because even though you have to thrash it everywhere, because the engine's so small, it still uses barely any fuel.
Right. Ooh, nice Integra.
There's like a little Civic there.
Yeah.
Is that full?
Maybe. The AC's on though. The AC's on. That's
the AC's on. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go ahead and switch that off.
Oh, whoa, VTEC.
Feel the power. This is a single overhead cam.
I actually think it's dual. I want to say there's 2 really small cams in there.
Yeah.
Because it's a 12 valve. I think.
Is it 550 or 660?
660. It's the big block.
The big block.
Yeah. Yeah, even for how tall it is, the body roll's not horrible.
It's not that bad.
It's only got 30,000 miles, so it's like new Honda.
Really?
Yeah. It's like new Honda.
It's like 64,000
kilometers.
Yeah. That's true. It is very loud when you're at that like bike point, but that's about it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And you can hear the clutch like.
Yeah. Oh, they left, but they left the shopping cart. Where'd your boys go?
I don't know. They left me.
That sucks.
And we're back.
Yeah, you don't even have to worry about parking.
Literally, you just pull it in and you know.
You have the parking pole.
Yeah, exactly.
Does that light
up? So there's a little fiber optic that goes from the headlight up into it.
So if you turn the headlights on
in the daytime, you can't see it at all.
I know, yeah.
Even on the on the highway at night, it's like just barely glowing, but you can see that it is glowing.
Cool.
But yeah,
I want to try. I want to try and wedge myself into the bag.
Cool.
It's honestly probably not going to be that bad.
You want to take this off?
I mean, sure. You can just set it down.